Former U.S. President Donald Trump's motion seeking an invalid trial in a civil battery and a defamation case was denied by the court. The lawsuit was filed by columnist Gene Carroll on the allegations that the 76-year-old Republican had raped her in the 1990s. Judge Louis Kaplan, who is overseeing this case, denied the motion for a mistrial before the testimony resumed on Monday. In response to this, Trump's attorney claimed that Judge Kaplan had made a persuasive, unfair and prejudicial rulings. He further asked the federal judge to rectify the record for every instance in which the court had mistaken the facts of this case. Trump's attorney also requested the court to grant him more liberty to cross-examine Carroll. The cross-examination of Carroll resumed on Monday morning. Carroll has filed a civil complaint against Donald Trump. She claimed that after she voiced her scrutiny in public in 2019 as part of the Me Too movement, he then defamed her, denying all the claims. So if the jury decides in favor of her claims, Trump would have to pay compensation but would not face any jail. And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Teherani has sent us this report from New York.
Since the former president was indicted last month in a criminal case by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, his third attempt to run for president and his legal battles have been playing out in split screen. Ms. Carroll's harrowing testimony demonstrates the surreal nature of this divide. Donald Trump is the frontrunner of the 2024 Republican presidential nomination. However, he's also been indicted on 34 felony charges. And in the case of Ms. Carroll, a jury may decide whether or not he committed rape decades ago. And then there are those other investigations against the former president, which are pending. But the former president did not become the frontrunner all by himself. It was with the help of Republican leaders, their constituents, and his core supporters as well. So far, Donald Trump's legal battles have not affected him politically, quite to the contrary. However, it's yet to be seen whether or not he'll be able to ride this tide all the way to the general elections. Susan Teherani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.